Namaste Karnataka, welcome to TIDI Academy post market analysis. As we can see in Nifty chart, in the morning in the 15 minutes time frame, we got a small correction, or we can say small profit booking which was happened. So after that we can see one complete uptrend in Nifty. As we can see in today's Nifty, it made a new all-time high. It made a very new all-time high as of today, and if tomorrow if it breaks this high and if it continues to move upside after breaking today's high, we can expect further up move in Nifty. Or else if it opens flat and if it comes down, we can take this level which is around 19,650 level, we can take it as support level 1. Or else if it opens gap down, we can expect further downside, which is we can take another level which is around 19,000, which will act as strong support level. So market is in uptrend and which is completely in bullish mode, so we can expect further up move in Nifty. So now we will come to Bank Nifty. As we can see in Bank Nifty, it has opened and completely sell off came in the first candle. After that it took support level which was forming from last 3 to 4 days, so which was around 44,700 level, which was acting as strong support level. It took support level and after that it broke previous last 3 to 4 days highs and it covered the gap which was pending. So after that it broke all these higher resistance levels. So on tomorrow, if it breaks today's high and breaks the level which is around 45,650 level, we can expect further up move in Bank Nifty. Or else if it opens flat and if it breaks this resistance level, so which is around 45,200, we can expect further downside in Bank Nifty. Why? Because which is already in sideways zone, again this will act as fake breakout if it comes down and if it sustains over in this sideways zone. Now I will check with Fin Nifty. So even in Fin Nifty also, today in the morning first 15 minutes candle, we can see one bearish candle which was happened, means maybe like sell off has happened in Bank Nifty. So after that it took the previous support, first support level which took at which is around 20,000, which took support level. After that it made a very good rally as we have seen in Bank Nifty. It broke previous last resistance levels and one more like the gap which was previously which was pending. So Fin Nifty, which is exactly around strong resistance zone, which is around 20,350 level. So on tomorrow, if it breaks this high and if it continues to move upside, we can expect further up move in Fin Nifty. Or else if it opens flat and if it comes down by breaking this support level, so which is around 20,200, we can expect further downside in Fin Nifty. So today's stock information is HDFC Bank. As we can see today, one very good rally which has happened in Bank Nifty because of HDFC Bank. So why? Because HDFC Bank is having more weightage in Bank Nifty. Whenever this weightage stocks goes up, even that particular index also moves upside, or we can say which will go as bullish. So on tomorrow, if it breaks this high and if it continues by doing price action and if it moves up, we can expect further up move in Bank Nifty. So why? Because see, from last 6 days, every sell off which has covered in single green candle which was happened today. I have took 1 day time frame. So last 6 days sell which has covered in single day, so which represents very strong or very bullish movement we can expect in Bank Nifty and even HDFC Bank also. So one more stock is Reliance. Reliance is also at resistance level, so which is around 2800. So we can see one complete uptrend which is forming in Reliance. On tomorrow, if it opens flat and if it breaks this high, we can expect further up move in Reliance. And one more thing is like market is in completely uptrend and which is forming like in last 4 days completely one uptrend is forming. So if this kind of patterns happens and when the particular stock which comes to exactly at the resistance level, we can see one small correction at this higher levels, or else you should go some 2 to 3 days as sideways. After that, if it breaks this high, we can expect further up move in this stock. So if you like this video, please share, subscribe and comment this video. See you next post market analysis. Thank you.